Hollenbeck units in 4071, 4071 at 211 just occurred, New Jersey and Savannah, New Jersey and Savannah. Suspects are armed with a handgun. They're described as 3 male Caucasians, all wearing white shirts, blue jeans, one wearing a cap. They were last seen walking southbound on Savannah. 4071 code 2 high incident 196.
MX 118, do you have a message regarding Savannah? That they changed your location north of 1st?
One's wearing a cap, and they're last seen walking southbound on Savannah. One's armed with a handgun. Roger.
290, monitor the ACC.
290, Roger.
735 is a 15-minute ETS of 0021.
35, Roger.
397, Roger. Is the PR there? Have you located him?
497, no.
97, Roger. I have the PR on the phone. Sounds extremely 390, 2811 Brooklyn at a payphone.
Hollenbeck unit, available Hollenbeck unit, screaming woman, Soto and Alcazar. Suspect's vehicles are 2 dark vehicles, unknown make. Incident 243, stand by for further.
484 still with the EBO. 4 item 4 is code 6, Soto and Alcazar, incident 243. Stand by for further.
Any Newton unit, 14 miles, a gun, 51st and Holmes, and the lumber yard. Suspect possibly armed with an Uzi, no further description. Incident 239, code 2.
Oh, yeah, that's code 4, Soto and Alcazar. Suspects are GOA. Queen 20, Roger. See if they can respond to that 415 man with a gun calling Holmes.
23 per Queen 20. Can you respond to the 415 man with the gun at 51st and Holmes?
We're code 6 at that location at present time. 15 Queen 23 is code 6, 51 in Holmes, incident 239. In the lumber yard, possible suspect armed with an Uzi, no further. 357 Roger, will stand as change your location and put you at scene.
Oh, yes, code 4688 South Santa Fe Avenue.
Incident 239, 415 man with a gun. All units, a 211 just occurred approximately 15 to 20 minutes ago from 4th and Brooklyn. Unknown type handgun was used. Suspects were 3 male Hispanics, all wearing white. Number 1 wearing a white cap. Taken was $20 U.S. currency and miscellaneous change. Suspects were last seen running southbound from 4th and Brooklyn. Incident 196. Any South traffic unit and ambulance, hit and run felony, Rosecrans of Vermont and Rosecrans, Auto versus Pet, code 2 high incident 279, unit handling, identify.
13T53, 13T53, come in.
253, go.
13T53, DWP is at 22nd and Main. They're unable to locate any problem.
253, we're on Hill Street, 22nd and Hill.
Roger.
Oh, yeah, that's code 451 in Holmes. 93, which hot shot are you handling? You got 2 running right now. We're back at 875 and 25th at Naomi on the car. Strippers there now. Roger. It's 875, Roger. If you advise, you're also holding another code 2 call on McKinley.
Copy 432, Frank Boy, William 136.
440, you clear the termination of the following. Incident 139.
Any Newton unit, ambulance man down Adams and Central on the sidewalk in front of